Hello guys, my name is John Stephen Estidoy and ngayon pag-aaralan natin about sa C++ keywords, identifiers, and comment. Itong ating topic 1. Okay? In C++, keyword are reserved words that have special meaning like int, return, and if. We cannot use them as names. Itong mga keywords sa code. So yan guys, ito ang ating keywords. Siyempre kasali na din lang ang return 0. So isali na lang natin guys. Yan, ganyan guys. Next is identifiers. Name you create. These are names given by the programmer to variables, function, or object. Ito ang ating mga identifiers in the code. Main, num, and cout. Yan guys. Pero hindi siya ganito ang pagkakayos guys. So ayusin natin. So ganyan guys sa numbers, sa num. Ang main nga pala ay function name, num variable name, cout object name from the standard library. Okay? Kung natapos natin ito guys, gagamit tayo ng cout dahil yun ang gagawin pang print. Nagagamit na nga pala tayo ng Android guys, kaya mahirap mapindot. Number. So ganito lang ang ayos niya guys. Lagyan lang natin dito no. Yan. Yan guys. Okay, next naman is comment. Comment are used to explain the code. Example in code ay simple lang guys, ganito lang. Yan lang guys. This line is ignored by compiler para hindi lang malito ang mga programmer. Yan guys, yan nga pala yung comment. Nakita nyo yung kulay gray. Okay. So, try natin siya i-run guys. O yan guys, nag-print yung number 10. Okay, ito, end na natin to sa topic 1. Next topic tayo guys. So guys, lipat tayo ngayon dito sa topic 2 about preprocessor, directive, main function, namespace, and basic input and output. Sa preprocessor natin, directive, starts with the hashtag symbols. Ano guys? Yung pinakauna ng ginawa natin kanina. Parang sa topic 1 lang. Hashtag symbols and include. Yan guys. Include. Ito ay para they tell the compiler what libraries to use. Okay, okay guys. Next is uh, the main function. Is the starting point of every C++ program. Ito yun guys, yung wait lang. I-encode na natin. Okay, yan siya guys. Yung main function. Main function yan guys ha. Next is namespace like std. Help organize code and avoid name conflict. Ito siya guys. Lang. Code natin. Okay, yan siya guys. Yung namespace std. And next is yung sama niya guys, which is iostream. Yan. Okay guys. Next naman guys, maglalagay tayo ng basic input and output used in cin to get input. Gets nyo guys? Cin to get input. And cout naman ay para mag-display or print siya output. Gets nyo? Cin, input, cout, display or print output. Okay guys. Try natin sa munang code. Sample. Sample guys is your age. Try natin guys. Yan. Ito nga palang age natin. Ito po ang ating variables. Okay? So, try natin siya maglagay ng cout. Okay yan guys. Pag na-enter natin yan, display or output natin sa cout. Next is cin. Ito nga palang cin guys is for to get input ulit guys to get input. So lagay natin dito age. Yan. So next is gamit tayo ulit ng cout. Yan guys, your age is yan guys, parang i-mention natin yung variables. Yan, age. Then, return 0 guys. So yan guys, try natin siyang i-run. Okay. Okay, yun. Enter your age. Sabi niya. So, mag-enter tayo ng age. Okay, yan guys. Yan yung gamit ng cout, display or print output. Yung cin kasi guys, yun yung input. Kukunin niya from the programmer. Okay guys. Yan nga pala yung code natin. Okay, next topic tayo guys. So, hello guys. Ngayon dito sa topic 3. Simple selection if and if else. The if statement is used to make decision in a program. If the condition is true, the code inside the if block runs. If the condition is false, the else block runs. Okay, try natin mag-code guys. Lang. So guys, huwag niyong kakalimutan tong int main na ganito guys. So, yung variables natin is score. Then, gamit tayo ng cout. Then, cin guys. Cin natin. Score. Then, gamit tayo ng if. Then, score. So, ang gagawin is higher than or greater than. Yan, equals 75 guys. Then, cout natin guys sa loob ng if. Lagay natin upass. Yan. Then next is else. Else. Then cout. Yan guys. Then return 0. Yan. So guys, try natin siyang i-run. Try natin 98. Okay, you pass. Try din 75 guys. Okay, pasado pa rin naman 75. Pero pag try natin 75 pababa. Or 74. Ay, 74 guys. Lang. Yan. Yan guys. Kita yung else natin. So, yun guys. Yun lang naman about sa if else. So, pag ang score natin is higher than or greater than 75, magpapakita yung pass. Pero pag mas mababa sa 75, dun magpapakita yung fail. So, yun lang guys. And that's the basic explanation of C++, keywords, program, structures, and simple decision making. Thank you for watching and I hope may natuto kayo sa aking video guys.